Hey everyone, so I was actually going through different ideas of what I want to share with you guys, so I figured, you know what, I'll do a quick little video on how to get easy, wavy hair at home, no heat involved, because I know a lot of people are using this time to kind of either go back to their natural texture or look at different ways of styling their hair without using heat because they're worried about the damage or just to give their hair a break. So I was going through my very small box of just samples I've had, and I'm trying to use them all because I'm like, you know what, it's weird because when I do have samples, I kind of like let them go and then they're too out of control. I'm like, you know what, I'm either going to give these away as stocking stuffers or I'm just going to use them like all in one shot just to avoid anything getting over hoarded. So I found, I don't even know how old this is, it's L'Oreal Professional's new Absolute Repair. This is near identical to Redken's, I guess, Extreme. I don't know how long this has been in here, but it looks like it is a, this is a conditioner or a, this is like written in a million different languages. This is a conditioner, I believe. Repairing mask for damaged hair. Kind of smells really funky. It looks like, I don't know if it went bad or whatnot. It has like a grainy appearance. It smells a little funky. And this is a repairing shampoo for very damaged hair. This one smells the same. It smells slightly floral. Design of it is really cool. So it looks like shampoo and conditioner. This obviously is shampoo, and this leave in for 2 or 3 minutes. I have not seen this product, so I'll probably do some research, and then when I come back, I'll talk about that. But I'll be doing this first. I'll be shampooing and conditioning, kind of, you know, hydrate my hair, give my hair some nourishment. And the product I'm gonna be using to style my hair is gonna be it's a leave-in curl cream, by Thermafuse. I almost said the wrong name, but Thermafuse, it's a leave-in curl cream. I'll come back with that. My hair will be damp. I'm just gonna run the cream through, let it air dry, and tell you guys how my hair comes out. All right, so I finished using the L'Oreal Absolute Repair. All in all, I thought it was pretty good. I did notice that the shampoo was slightly, I don't want to use the word like too alkaline because I don't know the pH, but it was a little like harsh. But the conditioner was really good. The conditioner is very comparable to Redken Extreme, Redken All Soft. It didn't make your hair feel too tough or too soft. It just kind of made it feel really nice and smooth. So you did have more than enough conditioner. The shampoo, you had just enough. So I do have some leftover conditioner that I'll probably just use the next time I hop in the shower. So I do think it's great. I do think the shampoo could have been a little bit better. So now the product I'll be using for this really easy natural wave look is the Curl Cream Redefiner. This also will protect and repair heat styled hair. So if you are using this, you don't have to use a spray, but if you do have the Thermafuse heat protectant, you can put a little bit of that if you're worried. You can use this if you want to prep the hair before either styling with a wet set, or if you're doing, some people will prep their hair with like a curl cream and then they'll use a curling iron after. You can definitely do this with this product behind the chair. A little of this does go a long way. It is incredibly rich, so I only do about like a quarter-sized amount. And it smells amazing. It kind of smells like raspberry. It's a very thick product. And what I'll do is I apply it to the mid-shaft and ends using my fingers and hands, like so. Your fingers and your hands are one of the best combs you'll ever have. Remember that. And then if I have any left over on my hands, I just go through and I smooth out the top. You can always add a little bit more. This will also prevent your edges of your hair from being frizzy and kinky. It does weigh them down enough to where it makes the top look nice and sleek, but also gives it some control, so you're not having, you know, hair that's super flat and then the rest of it is like super wild. This evens out everything. It's like a really nice mix of a curl cream and a leave-in conditioner. And if you want, you can just gently pull your hair up and scrunch it up like so. You can flip your head over if you're using heat, use a diffuser, or just take a paper towel and scrunch it up like that in my previous video. But this, I'm just gonna let air dry, and I'll come back and show you guys the result when everything is all dried. All right, everyone, so this is what my hair looks like after air drying using a mixture of the L'Oreal's Absolute Repair and the Redefiner Curl Cream from Thermafuse. It's interesting because when you use the products from Thermafuse, you put them on damp hair, and usually for my texture, and depending on what your hair's texture is like, You'll find that if your hair is very, very curly, coily, or has a really defined curl pattern, the wetter the better, because it will distribute evenly and it absorbs in a lot better. You'll put it on really damp hair or slightly damp hair, and you'll find that your hair's a little sticky and it might feel a little weird, but the way it dries, your hair feels better when it's dry. So it's not about how it feels when you put it on, it's about how it feels when it's dry, and that's what really matters when you're finding good products. So I've used other products from Thermafuse. I do like their shampoos. I like their heat protectant especially. It is a great line, and this product is so versatile. You could put this in your hair, let it air dry, and then if you have curly hair and you want to make it more curly, you can use a curling iron, you can do rollers if you're working on a bride or something. I've known stylists that will prep their brides with this, and then if they're going to curl them or style them, they'll curl it the day of, and that way it'll hold better. You can technically, if your hair is a little bit coarser, you can put it on and you can actually smooth the hair with it. It's another way to use it. You don't just have to use it for curling and all that. But this is a full look of how awesome my curls look. The ends of my hair look great too. It doesn't look dead on the ends and hard like it's a mousse. It actually worked out pretty well. So I'm pretty satisfied with this. Will I consider purchasing the Absolute Repair if they still have it? I don't know if it's still, available. Maybe not. I kind of just have a regular pH balanced shampoo and conditioner that I swear by. But if you do have damaged hair, it might be something you want to consider if you're willing to spend a little bit of money. Will I repurchase the Redefiner? Absolutely, because you can use it in so many different ways. So that is it for this video. If you tried any of the products, let me know what you thought down below. And like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon with some more amazing videos next week.